Mutongoi wa Wiper Patriotic Front Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka n'umya witano kula kwi kanisa kunengana na kutungia wikwatyo kati wa mwikana monoka vindane ka kwimwa wa mawia edene kanisani wa Divine International World Outreach ko yelovi Kalonzo n'umya witano wa ngwatanio na umwe ngalikoni ya Ulei aithia tongwe kuyotema wendimo ene na kumudhukuma kana kuthukuma kwa vamwe kwa liulandhi ya Kenya. Kalonzo ngini wa Ulei wende ya kwitha na umwe na kuimia mugo na monoka vindane ka tuelekele usakoni munene wa mwaka wa 2017 mwaka mweu na mavuo.
Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni waweta kana batende ino muvaka atongoi mangaliko ya Ulei kwende ya kwikala vamwe na vathisa ukusi wa mwaniko na umwe kavindane ka Kenya maende na kwiyumbanisya usakwani munene wa mwaka wa 2017. Ainena avikete uthaithine kanisani wa Divine International Outreach County ni Ilovi Kalonzo ni wakulia atongoi kwamba kwia mawendi mote na kuka vamwe kuthukuma memwamba keleloni cha kuvindua na kwa ilia uni wanthi ya Kenya.
Don't be worried about opposition not remaining united. We must remain united because it's not within our power to disintegrate. If we disintegrate, the people have already gone ahead of us. So this is a people-led unity. Anybody trying to exit will face the wrath of the Kenyan people because this is a positive revolution.
Mutongoi uthingi ni watu la mutii serikali ya President William Ruto kwa kwithiwete kwatia katiba kanthi ya Kenya na kala kanengetene nthi uthasio wa kuandamana na vala maofisa ma polisi methitwe maitumia vinya uvitukite kusia maandamano.
They say they are going to throw bullets at us. We don't retreat. Tunasonga mbele. They say you will not demonstrate even though it's your constitutional right. We shall demonstrate anyway, as long as you are not carrying weapons to hurt each other, because that is our constitutional right. We say you will not steal the next election. We mean it. We say Mr. Ethcon, the chair of IBC, has no business trying to threaten a whole nation, that if this atmosphere continues, he will postpone the elections. He has no such mandate.
Kavindane kau Kalonzo ni wakulia kanisa kukilanja kithito cha kutungia wikwacho kwa muika na ene nthi kavindane kakwe na unyivu wa mawia na uniute kueleka.
I want to recommend be a mission for all of us, a church in Kenya. Please look at what is happening. Our children are hopeless, they feel helpless because they are jobless and they don't see a hope. And yet, Jeremiah 29:11, Madam Ruth, you referred us to us, that Jeremiah, God was telling him before he was born in mother's womb, he knew him. And he says that to give us a hope and a future. To give us a hope and a future. So we need to give the young Kenyans hope. And I'm sure God is going to give us, all of us as a country, a future.
Dilivoti ya vilingi wa movo netoa mwaka mweu.